my exhaust right there for my shit. Where is he? That goes to for my overspray, and that bird came in through the outside. I don't know where he is. He's over in there somewhere. He is. You can hear him. He's gonna see me. He's pecking. It's a damn woodpecker. See, the door's right here. I'm outside, so he's on the opposite side of how to get the Joker out. Oh, what am I doing? I don't know if he got out yet. Oh, there he is. Oh, shit. Oh, dude. Oh, what in the fuck are you doing, dude? What are you doing? He's inspecting my damn... Dude. Are you shitting me, dude? What in the frick? And that's exactly where I'm working. I'm hooking that damn stereo up right there. Oh, damn, there he is. I think that's one of them damn poisonous birds. I'm just kidding. But where the hell did he go? I'm probably thinking he's like right here and he's going to come flying around the... Oh, he's up in here. Hey, dude, get out of here. Bip it. Oh, goddamn. Whoop, sorry. There you are. There you are. Dude, what is going on? Shit. All right, you're coming out this way. Come on, bud. Come on. This is where he's come. This is where he came in. From out here. Oh, damn, that thing's open. Shit. Watch, I'll stand here and come flying right out it. That's how he got in, that little turd. Man. Crap. Yo, dude. Hey. I can't turn the exhaust on because the Joker will go freaking... Oh, man, I don't even know if he even came out. There's Sarge. He oversees everything. This place is a mess because I'm not reorganizing it. I'm organizing it. Oh, shit, he's above me. He's above me. Oh, shit. I just want him to get out. I'm not trying... Look at that. I found that damn bike. I'm going to give it to a girl. Friend. Girl space friend. Everything that fucking moves. Oh, my God. Dude, please be out of here. I'm going to think he's out of here. And then I'm going to have to come over here and go, oh my God, first aid. Hey. We are no longer accepting more applicants. He must have gone. He must have left. He went up there and said, this is bull. This guy don't know nothing about it. Don't know nothing about woodwork. I don't hear him anymore. Well, yeah, here's the shop. It's very organized right now. I just mounted this TV up here. This is the exhaust system for when I spray. You can't see it. So it comes in, the exhaust blows out that way. And I'll put these down on tools. And it comes in from up there. I haven't even had a chance to spray at it yet because I just finished it. Anyway, it comes through there. And Zabado's down there. And I mounted this yesterday. And then I've got my stereo here. So I'm actually hooking up a home theater system. But I think this is going to be called a shop theater system. And this is the electrical shit I'm working on. No, that is not wine.